Good morning, folks. It's Vlogmas December 18th, I do believe. And I'm just checking in with y'all to say, have a happy day. Peace. Have a good season. I'll see y'all on Christmas. I'm on vacation. Woo! Enjoying the morning. I'm getting ready to go hunt for some treasures. All my young folks, my kids and stuff keep asking me why. And I keep telling them, well, why do you love me so much? And they always say, 'cause you got something new. And they always have something new for me too. So young folks and old folks, old is new. Yoo-hoo. It's surprising too. I'm getting ready to go. You'll never know where you'll see me next. Y'all be safe. And have a happy day. Peace. Yeah, I wonder what you're doing. And I don't know what day it is. But for me, this is the day it's going to be for Vlogmas. And I just want to say, have a happy day. And do everything ahead of time. Like I do 3 films in one day. And how I do it is, first I start with my hair on my head. Yeah, it's in a ponytail right now, but I put it up here first. And then I take my hair down for the next video. And I put 3 clothes out so I can change clothes 3 times. And get 3 videos in one day by changing the set around, your hair around, and changing your clothes around. Yeah, and try to get 3 videos or so in one day. Yeah, that's how to stay ahead. I do that consistently, and then I edit for the next couple of days, but this is unedited because it'll be on a short feed in Vlogmas sometime before Christmas. You'll get it before Christmas. Yeah, so stay consistent, stay happy, keep smiling. A smile says a lot to somebody. Yeah, a smile lets them know that you approve of them. Yeah, and it makes them happy. I'm happy to see y'all. Sorry I'm a mess. Granny's a mess. But I just want you to know to be consistent. That way you'll have time for a vacation. Because I'm getting ready to go. I'm all packed up. And it's like early December. Yeah, I want a couple weeks off from YouTube. I should be like around December something, late December when you get this. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. But yeah, be consistent. Be consistent. Toodaloo. Peace. That's beautiful. Beautiful rain. Beautiful rain. Woo! Highway 101.